Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace windshield wipers. First, gather your new wiper blades, a soft cloth, and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface with the engine off. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. This prevents the arm from snapping back and potentially damaging your windshield, which is important. Now, let's remove the old blades. Look for a small tab or button where the wiper blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade down and off the J-hook of the wiper arm. Be careful not to let the arm snap back. Once the blade is off, gently lower the bare wiper arm back onto the windshield, placing a soft cloth underneath to protect the glass. Installing the new blades is straightforward. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up onto the arm until you hear a click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached and won't come off during operation. Repeat this process for the other wiper blade. With both new blades installed, gently lower both wiper arms back onto the windshield. Before hitting the road, turn on your vehicle and test the new wipers using your windshield washer fluid. Ensure they clear the glass effectively and smoothly without streaking or chattering. This quick check confirms everything is working perfectly. Also, for other great deals, and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.